Hey everybody, Daniel Mosnet here with Cowboy Charcoal, and are you looking for a great appetizer for your date night dinner? Well, I've got you covered. We're making some wood-fired oysters with butter and bacon and Parmesan cheese and white wine, and they're so good, and they take less than 5 minutes to cook. All you're gonna do is you're gonna put your oysters in a wood-fired oven. You could even do this on the barbecue. We're gonna let them roast really for about 45 seconds to 2 minutes, and they're all gonna pop wide open. You take them out, you shuck the top off, and then we top them. We have a little compound butter that we made with a little bit of bacon, some parsley, some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of garlic, and we put that right on top of each oyster with a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and we put that back in the pizza oven and let it get all melty and gooey and oh so delicious. Put them down on this little platter, and you've got a great recipe for any date night or really any night of the year. I'm Daniel Mosnet with Cowboy Charcoal. For this recipe and so many more, like, follow, and subscribe. And until next week, keep cooking.